What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to download and install the latest Google Play system update in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on security and privacy. Now in security and privacy, click on updates and then click on Google Play system updates. So here it will automatically start checking for the available updates. So if you have any update pending, then to download and install the latest Google Play system update, tap on download and install. So when you will tap on download and install, it will download and install the latest Google Play system update. So that's how you can download and install the latest Google Play system update in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.